everybody, hope you're doing well. Here I go again with a marble pour. Yes, I'm on it, on it. Now this is another cup of my drippings, and it's got a little purple in it. I have not added any color to it, and I didn't on the last one either. So I'm going to try another one, another marble pour, and see what happens with this color. It don't look like I mixed it very good. It's all right. It'll be fine, but you should really mix your paints well. But anyway, so I've got a couple of blobs in it. I tried to get them out before I started, but I knew I wouldn't catch them all. That's the only thing about scraping your table. You never know what's gonna come, what you gonna get. Life's like a box of chocolates. I'm in a goofy mood this morning. Just ignore me. All right, so let's see if I can see any more. I'm sure there's more. You wouldn't think that I even tried to get them out, but I swear I did. I see one right here or somewhere in there. Well, I'll worry about it later. How's that? I think that's enough for now. All right, so let's get with it. So I'm going to use some different colors. I'm going to use the same navy color, but some others as well. So let me start with my navy. And I'm just going to go through the colors like I did before. I'm going to use some white this time, just to see what happens, what it looks like. And I'm not using a lot of colors, but I may on the next try, just to see. Wasn't sure what really would go with this purplish color. Just trying to use up some of that paint that I scraped. All right, I'll speed this up a little bit. Alrighty, there we go. Snake in the grass. Looks like a snake in the grass. I'm just gonna move the paint around a little bit. And I think I see something. Yeah, I thought it did. Maybe not. Alright, let me get my marble. Almost got too close to the edge over here. We'll see what happens. My marble may be flying off the canvas. Here we go. I better be careful. Alright, here we go. Well, I lost it. I didn't mean to. Let me just move this paint around a little bit. Yeah. Okay. I think I put it too close to the edge, but it's okay. We'll still make something good. That's good enough. Let's tilt. This is really pretty. I really like the negative space, I believe. Now, I like it the other way as well, but I'm really digging the negative space. Just, you know, giving it a little more than the norm. I kind of like it. I really like it. It's pretty cool. Let's come over here to this last corner. I'm just going to barely tip it. There we go. Very pretty. Man, I really like these dark backgrounds. I wasn't sure, I mean, I've done a few before, but I really wasn't sure what it would look like where you roll the marble through, you know what I mean? It leaves a line when it rolls through. I didn't know how that would look. I was worried about it looking funny, but it doesn't. I'm gonna quit tilting because you can tilt too much and then it's over if you do it too much. But all right, there we go. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. Try it out, it's very cool. Now, I wouldn't be able to tell you how to make this purplish gray, but I'm pretty sure if you're doing a lot of these, you've got a lot of paint on your table and it will probably look like it. So anyway, you'll have a great day, and I will put all the recipes and all the colors I used in my description. Okay? See you later. See you next video. Bye-bye.